Hey there, I'm Wil Yeung. Welcome to Young Man Cooking. It's incredible and sometimes hard to believe how much this channel has grown over 10 plus years and 600 plus videos. Throughout the years, I do receive questions from viewers on how to continue to support the cooking show after already having purchased the Young Man Cooking cookbooks, which I'm very grateful for. A few months ago, you may have noticed that we've added a YouTube channel membership. You may see a join button right next to the subscribe button. The original idea was to have member exclusive content like the product taste test episodes and brand new YouTube Shorts episodes each week that are not repurposed, and will be about small recipes, cooking tips, product comparisons, and just short recipes in general. So after filming a backlog of the exclusive content, I decided to scrap the entire idea, and we've been airing the videos anyway, which leaves the YouTube membership purely as an optional feature because ultimately, I'm glad you're here either way. It's definitely in the realm of possibilities that the membership features will be expanded in the future, but for now there are some neat features like priority answer to comments and some really cool artist-created badges and emojis so that everyone can see that you're a member. The badge will appear next to your name here on YouTube, and you'll be awarded a new badge depending on how long you've been a member. Well, in this case, your bowl of ramen will look more and more premium. You can also share these neat emojis in the comments like this chef with his pan on fire. You can say his skills are pretty lit. Do the cool kids still say that nowadays? If you're interested in checking out the 4 Young Men Cooking cookbooks, If you're interested in checking out or picking up a copy of one of the 4 Young Men Cooking cookbooks, there is a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Thank you again for choosing to support the cooking show, and I hope to cook together soon here on YouTube.